Imagine hitting a reset button for your brain, clearing away all mental clutter in just 10 minutes. Sounds impossible? Think again. Modern life overwhelms us: constant notifications, information overload, decision fatigue. The hidden cost? Stress, poor focus, reduced creativity, and sleep disruption. Step 1: the mind dump. Empty your mental inbox, all thoughts, worries, and to-dos. Step 2: identify and prioritize. Separate urgent tasks from noise. Step 3: take one micro-action, then consciously release the rest. Deep breathing drill. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 4, repeat. Use the "what can I control" filter. Focus only on what matters. Engage one sense, touch, sight, or sound to pull into the present moment. Schedule short mental check-ins to prevent clutter from piling up. Take micro breaks from screens and declutter your environment. Recap: mind dump, prioritize, micro-action, breathe, engage senses. Done consistently, it transforms your day. Visualize future: enhanced focus, stronger relationships, creativity, personal fulfillment. Even small discomforts, like trying new routines or speaking up, compound to expand confidence and clarity. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the transformative power of this 10-minute reset. Your brain will thank you.